Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 and I'll show you how to check battery with temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store and in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just open the app. Here click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now you can see here the information with the temperature of our battery. In my case that's 31 and 4 degrees here, and also we got here more info about our device capacity, voltage level and health, and more other info like the device Android version, the model of our device, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.